Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the bath soap that goes along with my ultimate love spell. If you would like to purchase this spell, email me below. If you would just like to purchase the oil, you can also email me below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and be sure to check out the other videos where I show you how to make the candles as well as. All right, so the next part of our spell would be our soap. And I decided that for these soaps, I'm going to use these crowns, and they have the tiny little hearts and stones and all kind of stuff that I'm going to figure out what we're going to add to that. But this is how we started off. I have this bowl here, clean, new bowl, new spoon, plastic spoon. I am using the Simple Serenity, and this is shea butter soap. And I will also, of course, be using my Love Potion oil. And I will be mixing these two pigment colors to add some color. This is eyeshadow pigment, which is very much so safe to put on the skin. While my hands are very much so clean, I'm going to put my gloves on anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna take out our soap. We're gonna take a knife, which thankfully I'm in the kitchen. This knife is also clean, just in case y'all want. Okay. Now, I'm going to end up using probably about 2 of these. But I'm honestly not sure. Okay. And I'll just put that back in this container, put it out to the side for now. Okay. It's clean. Now we're gonna take this and we're gonna put this in the microwave. The candle wax, oops, I'm sorry. The candle wax was 2 minutes, but we're just gonna see. I'm gonna put 3 minutes, but I'm gonna let you guys know at the end how long I really had to leave it in there. Okay, so our soap is melted. Camera right. Our soap is melted. Our soap is complete. I'm excited. And let me get my spoon out the bag. Now, it is time to add our pigments. Let's add our pigments and get the colors going. Ooh. Oh, that was a lot. Did y'all see how much that was? That is a lot. Let me see how this looks before I add anything else. Oh, that's so pretty. is so effing pretty, y'all. Okay, now I'm going to add this one. And both of these are like eyeshadow pigments. Okay. Now lastly, but not least, we will add in our Love Potion oil. This time I'm going to try to get as few herbs as possible. So I'm using my
counterclockwise. Definitely put in my intent. Alright, it's time to pour it. And traditionally, this is not a soap making.
Okay, so I have so much left over. I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna go over and get one of my other filling trays, because we are not gonna let this go to waste.
Okay, so I went and grabbed my other tray and let's get it filled up. So these will be bowls.
Now our soap and candles are done. So before I get to the soap, which as you see, I have my gloves on because I know I'm finna have to touch the soap. But I need to put the candles in a refrigerator. So I'm probably gonna have to take the gloves off. But I have to put the candles in a refrigerator because we want to be able to get them out. So what we're going to do is put them in the fridge for about 5 minutes, and that will actually be long enough to pull the soap out of here and insert them into my little baggies. Okay, now I'm going to put my glove back on. And let's get the soap out. Oh, they're going to be so cute. Oh my God, I just popped it. Let me be a tad bit more careful, right? And okay, so my last step would be to get all of the little pieces that really don't go off. So now we're going to just simply, like, this is probably the easiest part, transfer the soap over to my little plastic bags here, which are probably about to be held in high water to open with gloves on. Let me see, let me see, let me see. All right, now that I have got those pesky tiny bags open, I have to come up with a decision how I'm going to separate these. Okay, loves, thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope you were able to learn something from it. If you would like to purchase the oil, please be sure to email me via the email below. If you would like to purchase the entire spill, also email me via the email below. Of course, with the entire spill, I would personalize every candle, soap, and lotion especially for you. So just let me know, okay? Peace, love, and light. Bye.